In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a year end in Xero. Whether you're wrapping up your financials or preparing for next year, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First off, we need to access your Xero account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Xero's login page. Once you're there, you will see the login button. Just give that a click to begin. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll input your email address and password to access your account. With your details filled in, click once more on the login button to proceed. Now that we're logged in, let's head over to the dashboard. This is your landing page after logging in, and it provides an overview of your account activities and essential metrics. From here, we'll move toward the accounting tab. You should find this option at the top of the screen. A click on this tab will reveal several options, but for our needs, head down to the advanced section. Within the advanced menu, locate and select financial settings. This takes us straight to where we need to be to execute the year-end tasks. You'll find a section titled Financial Year-End Settings. This is pivotal for the next step of our guide. To change or confirm your year-end date, you'll want to select Change. Here you'll have the opportunity to choose the specific day and month that corresponds to your financial year end. This detail is crucial as it determines the cutoff for your financial, reporting and planning activities. Properly aligning this date ensures accuracy in your accounts. Once you've set the correct day and month for your year end, don't forget to click Done. This action finalizes your changes and locks in your settings for the upcoming financial period. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully completed the year end setup in Xero. With clear financial boundaries in place, you can transition smoothly into the new fiscal year. Remember, keeping your financial settings up to date is essential for maintaining precise financial records. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more tips and tricks for navigating Xero. Until next time, happy accounting.